Dear friends, dear students, we are going to talk something about personality factors today. Okay, please hear me patiently. There is a proverb, you require a good wall to make a good painting. You require a good wall to make a good painting. You require a good wall to make a good painting. The same way, you need a healthy body to live a good life. जान है तो सब कुछ है. Like that we tell. So health is a very important factor to maintain our body healthy so that we enjoy the life successfully also. Dear children, from the age of 12, you should start knowing this word effective personality. You should start knowing this word effective personality from your age of 12, I'm telling you. In each and every moment of your life, this word should be in your mind. In each and every moment of your life, action, this word personality should be in your mind. In each and every action of yours, you should give enough space to this thought, effective personality. Okay. First of all, take the topic health. In effective personality, we are talking about health. Good health is an important factor to show your effective personality in coming days. Maybe of any age today, if you are a children, please concentrate from 12th age itself on health. Good health you should maintain. Without a stable health, you cannot enjoy your power, energy, and brilliance. I am repeating, without a stable health, you cannot enjoy your power, energy, and brilliance. Okay? So, if your health is okay, then only your immunity inside body would be okay. If your health is okay, then only your immunity inside your body will be okay. Hence, from the day itself, concentrate on how to maintain good health. Hence, from this day itself, concentrate on how to maintain good health. Okay? Healthy food, timely food are important factors for maintaining good health. Healthy food, timely food are important factors for maintaining good health. Routine physical exercise is inevitable to maintain your good health. Routine physical exercise is inevitable to your health. If you feel that your health is not permanently okay, that means temporarily something problem, try to rectify. Talk to parents and doctors immediately. Nowadays, junk food is a main cause for lots of problems. If your stomach is okay, your health will be okay. Understand this basic concept. If your stomach is okay, your health will be okay. Junk food is the main cause for lots of problems. Bad habits. In coming days, you may face these things. It is better to talk about this now itself. Smoking, eating gutka type pouches are becoming dangerous. Try to know what you are eating and what you are use. What is the use of it? आप क्या खा रहे हैं, उसका use क्या है, you should know it. Then start eating all these things. Discuss with the parents. Don't hide your problems with parents or doctors. You are a tree of 100 years. Your roots should be proper. Develop friends who can stop you from wrong habits that you may start. Develop friends who can stop you from wrong habits that you might start. You should also do that. If your friends do wrong eating habits, try to stop. You have to plan for 10 into 10, 100 years health. You have to plan for 100 years health. Start today itself. That is what the advice today that I am telling you. Say, I'm taking English speaking classes. That is why I'm giving you lectures in English so that you understand personality also and in English also. That is why I'm putting this video. My students who are, I'm taking daily classes for some people. I'll show to them. That is why I recorded and put it in the YouTube also. Okay. Have a good day. Have a nice day. Try to have good health. Concentrate on this point. Discuss this point with your friends so that you enjoy your life properly. Thank you. See you again. Have a good day.